Hello everyone and welcome to Livegood. This is Livegood leaderboard. I want to show us a few things and I want to encourage someone today. If you're watching this video, please watch it to the end. Now this is Livegood leaderboard. I just want us to scroll down and look at what is happening in Nigeria. So this video is specifically for those in Nigeria. Yeah, it can apply to anyone else, but I'm talking about Nigerians. So let's scroll down. Okay. So look at the leaderboard. Look at number 6. Number 6 is Joshua Iginla, champions team. Joshua Iginla is a renowned pastor in Nigeria. He's very wealthy. He's doing well. But he's a pastor that believes in doing businesses. Is a pastor that believes in doing something else other than just sitting and waiting for tithe and offerings. This is a pastor that teaches his congregation how to make money, not to continue to expect miracle alert. This is a pastor. He has verified the Livegood business. As a network marketer, he saw that the business is legitimate and he jumped on this business. So many other pastors could criticize him to say, oh, he has left the work of the ministry and is doing this. Even the Bible says that money answers all things. Without money, you can't do ministry. So, what are you saying? That he's wrong? He's making money? I mean, there's a life outside of the church. There's a life outside of the ministry. I'm not here to talk about that, but I'm just trying to say some of the arguments that some people will have. But if a man like this can pick up Livegood, can pick up a network marketing business. See, network marketing business have come to stay. It's been here for decades. Different companies have come and they have not gone. They are still there, but people left them. Why did people leave those businesses? Because it became very difficult to do. Because the conditions that you are given before you can get the compensation they're talking about became very difficult to accomplish, to achieve. And then it looked like those at the bottom were working for those on top. For those of us who have done network marketing for so many years, that was the narrative. But Livegood came and changed everything. Your upline works for you just the same way you work for your upline. So we do not call it working for me and I work for you. We call it teamwork. Because as a downline, you benefit spillovers from your upline. As an upline, you benefit team building from your downline. So the upline must always be there for the downline. So it's teamwork in Livegood. But I'm saying, look at this man. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit again and see. Okay, number 10, we have Tolulokbe. I don't know that person. Then look at number 12. We have someone else. I mean, Nigerians are moving. Nigerians are doing things that, you can see it from the leaderboard. Then look at number 13. Number 13, Stella Iginla. That is the wife of the pastor. She's here. I mean, she didn't say my husband is working, so let me not do this. Let me just sit and, The husband is networking. She is networking. Look at what is happening. I mean, these people you can see on the leaderboard, they are personally enrolled members under them. This is not talking about their entire team. Everyone you see on the leaderboard is those people who have personally enrolled this number of persons you are seeing. And we sit and we say we do not have anybody in our contact to talk to. I don't know how to talk to people. You don't want to talk to people, that is the reason. Because the leaders are teaching how you can talk to people. The leaders are guiding downlines how you can talk to people. But some feel so embarrassed to do certain business. And I wonder if this kind of a business is something that should make you feel embarrassed. You can't look in your contact and pick a few contacts and speak to them. Check your contacts. Some of you have over 1,000 people. If you have up to 1,000 contacts, or let me even say, if you have up to 100 contacts on your list, and you can't pick 10 people that you think you can talk to, please delete everybody from your list. Please just delete them. Then what are they there for? Some have up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 contacts, and you can't tell me you don't have 10 people, at least 10, that you can talk to. I'm saying 10 because in Livegood, there is a strategy that our leader have used right now that you can focus on 5 people and you become a diamond. Just 5 persons, you become a diamond. And we're trying to employ the same strategy right now. So, checking your contacts. Whosoever told you about Livegood is doing you a favor. Is trying to give you financial stability. Go back to that person, pick the person's link, get registered, go to your contact and make a list of at least 10 persons and begin to share with them this opportunity. I'm not telling you to get 100 persons. I said at least 10. Because the strategy that we're working with right now is 5 active people, 5 people who think they want to change their lives. That is all you need. You don't need the crowd. You need the crowd if you want to just make money or get to the leaderboard like this. But if you want to get to diamond where you can be earning huge amount of money, then let's focus on the 5. If this business wasn't legitimate, people like Joshua Iginla will not be doing it, because I have not heard about him in any Ponzi scheme. So for those of you who are saying Livegood is a Ponzi scheme because when I sign up I don't get products immediately, you are saying that because you are used to the old system. The new system is where Livegood has combined both affiliate marketing and the product MLM. So they give you the liberty to be able to grow your team, earn money and buy products from the company. You can be entering same day and you can buy products same day with your money. But you have to become a member to buy the products. So guys, please get to whosoever told you about this business, pick up their link, pre-enrolled. To pre-enroll, you don't even need to pay any money. You pre-enroll and then you can just lock up your position. You just enter the power line and you can look for money and you sign up so that you lock up the position. You are in the system. And you can begin to enjoy spillovers. I can show you spillovers from so many of my downlines. So please get started already. Stop procrastinating. Stop praying in tongues. Stop asking God to come and do a miracle for you. Livegood is here to change your life. It's your decision to make if you want to take the opportunity or not. This is not rocket science. People do businesses and they learn how to succeed in the business. There are workable formulas that we are using right now. Go to the person who gave you this video, pick up the person's link and register. And if you are watching this video directly from my YouTube channel, pick up my link from the description box below, sign up, hit me on WhatsApp and I will guide you on how to grow your team to becoming a diamond. So thank you for watching guys and bye for now.